So today, this video is actually going to be a giveaway, and I'm going to actually be giving away a Mega Neon Ginger Cat. It's really easy to enter, so all you have to do is subscribe, obviously, like this video, and turn on all post notifications. And if you want a double chance to win, like you'll get a better chance. Like your name will be on there twice. You have to follow my Roblox account, and I will be able to check who is subscribed, who is following my Roblox account, and once you're done all those steps, all you need to do is just comment your username and the reason why you want this Mega Neon Ginger Cat. Okay, now
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.